Hello, it's your girl Justine, also known as Just Sold Out, back here today with another unboxing. You can tell by the lid what this is already. This is the New Balance Aime Leon Dore collaboration for the 550. I hope I pronounced that right. I mean, I don't speak French, so is it Aime Leon Dore? I don't know. ALD is what we will refer to it in this video. My husband entered the raffle on the Aime Leon Dore website, and long and behold, he was selected to win his 8.5 men's. He did try them on already and said they run true to size, so be sure to stick to your normal sizing. The raffle for these sneakers opened on October 30th, 2022, and they retailed for $130 USD. Let's get into the box. As you can see, the lid comes with the signature branding in both showing the New Balance and Aime Leon Dore collaboration logos. Just love how simplistic the two logos really do look together. It seems like a very collaborative effort creatively. If you didn't already know, the founder of Aime Leon Dore works also as New Balance's creative director, which is one of the reasons why they have a bunch of collaborations. On the opposite side of the sticker label, you'll just find some extra lines and branding. On the side, you get a nice illustration of the 550. It just kind of On the side, you get a nice illustration of the 550. And then taking a look at the sticker label, like I said, Justin got this in his US size 8.5 men's. This is classified as the black-white colorway. This also released with another gray colorway. Let's open this bad boy up. Whew. Wow. Even better in person. Inside you do get collaboration tissue paper, both featuring the New Balance and ALD logo. And here we have the ALD New Balance 550 in the white colorway. I just love how beautiful this shoe looks. I feel like it combines a bunch of different materials in a very seamless manner. For me, this was actually probably sneaker of the year for 2022. New Balance was able to produce this on its own with no collaboration after the New Balance collaboration released. That ultimately met with success because they were able to use so many different colorways that were not featured with the ALD collaborations. A bunch of these have already dropped, including one that I did have the opportunity to pre-order, and it's going to arrive in Q1 2023. Let's take a deeper look at the shoe. On the lateral side, you'll see that the New Balance logo is featured in a nice hairy suede. Love this premium material. It's in this nice kind of stone gray. The New Balance end is surrounded by stitching to sort of give an extra little pop to that New Balance logo. I really like that the New Balance logo doesn't look like a big logo in your face. In fact, it actually looks like it was part of kind of like the creative process for making this shoe. Of course, you have the 550 embossed on one of the panels, and it is featured with a bunch of perforations underneath of it. The shoe features a ton of off-white stitching, and I just love that because it adds a nice little detail approach. That same hairy suede that is featured on the New Balance logo is also featured on the heel. To me, this is probably one of the ways that kind of brings all these materials in together. This sneaker features a ton of panels with a bunch of smooth leather in a nice kind of like off-white color. Again, with the hairy suede featured in gray, it kind of brings together all of the tones and colors featured on this shoe. The midsole also features another gray piece, and I feel like this little dark contrast really brings in the connection of the upper colors with the sole. The sole features a nice yellow aged kind of color. This is something we've seen trending all throughout the year. I was surprised to see that there was no branding on the back heel, but it does kind of add a nice minimalistic touch to the shoe. As you can see, the sneaker came with an extra pair of laces. Right now they feature more of a white color, while the ones that they featured on the side are this kind of like aged yellow color that is similar to the sole. The insole has the classic Aime Leon Dore branding on the inside, featuring that little basketball shaped as an apple because of its New York origins. The heel cup features a nylon texture, which is also featured on the tongue. Love that because it gives the shoe a little bit more of breathability because it is encompassed by a lot of leather panels. Again, you have that classic ALD branding with that nice Apple basketball hybrid logo. Taking a look at the sole, I mean, this shoe doesn't have a ton of tread, but it does feature that New Balance logo on it, as well as the non-marking sole element. That New Balance logo is also featured on the medial and lateral sides, not just the lateral side, which I thought initially it did, but yeah, that hairy suede is both featured on the lateral and medial sides of the sneaker. I mean, just look at the tones of this. It just looks so nice, and I love that kind of like sort of aged, authentically aged, but this actually just feels like a color that used those tones and those colorways into the shoe's design. Some people classify this aged yellow hue as sale. I unfortunately took a big L on these sneakers and were not able to pick them up in my 5.5 sizing. Maybe I'll buy them on the resale market because, you know, I love to match my husband. Do you guys think that this is sneaker of the year for 2022? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Either I'ma do it big or I ain't doing it at all. Me the wishing on the shooting star, wishing you would call. How you doing with the drama? Don't get involved. Are you feeling the trauma? No, I ain't feeling it all. Popped out, G63 with the top down. Told you I'm a ball now, you didn't think I'd pop out. Was hoping I would fall down, hoping that I get knocked out. Kingdom Hearts on me, I got this key, I'm never locked out. Sorry, said she wanna see the world, Dore the Explorer. She's tired of being a city girl, tired of saying sorry. And I know it's been a minute, girl, but I just popped the molly. Every day my birthday party. Either I'ma do it big or I ain't doing it at all. Me the wishing on a shooting star, wishing you would call. How you doing with the drama? Don't get involved. Are you feeling the trauma? No, I ain't feeling it all. If you wanna win, you gotta play. You wanna play, you gotta pay. I didn't have a place to stay, you would let me sleep at your place. I was surprised you were fake, couldn't even let me in my face. It took me a while to realize that I'm to blame, and that I changed. Sad to say that you stayed the same.